Hi guys, if Instagram story is not uploading, then how to fix this? So the very first thing to fix is try to, just open Instagram and force close the Instagram and then open the Instagram again and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. If this does not resolve your issue, then what you can do, you can just try turning on the flight mode, wait for a few seconds, and then turning off on again, and then see whether your issue gets resolved or not. If this also does not work, then try restarting your iPhone. Just restart your iPhone, just shut down and then turn on all back again, and then open Instagram and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. If this also does not work, try reinstalling Instagram. Just delete the Instagram from your iPhone and then install it again using App Store. Thanks for watching. Please do like.